The houses they built back then, they were stronger. I hear it all the time. And let's be honest, I agree. Partially, a lot of what is being built now is rubbish. Plain and simple. Rubbish. But that is not the whole story. Have you heard about something called survivorship bias? I said no. It is when we only look at the things that lasted and assume they represent the whole truth. You say, my father's house was built in 1982 and it's still standing tall. Fair. But how many from the same era have quietly collapsed, cracked, or even marked for demolition? Let me give you a personal example. There is one street in the area I grew up. Most of the houses there were built in the early 1980s. Today, only 4 of them are still standing. The rest failed. Some, they sunk into the ground. Some were even knocked down by regulators. Some of them simply rotted from years of neglect. But if you sit down with the owners of the 4 that are still standing, there's one common thing they will tell you. They hired professionals, registered structural engineers, certified builders, and most importantly, they were not trying to outsmart the system. They were not asking, how many bags of cement can I remove and still be safe? They were not testing steel to know if it is fake. In fact, they did not need to. Back then, the quality was the default, not the exception. Terrazzo was real terrazzo, steel was steel, and good craftsmanship, it was not rare, it was normal. So yes, some of those old houses are still standing, but many others are not. And the reason the good ones survive is not magic or mystery. It was sense, quality decisions, professional oversight, and a time when building was not a gamble.
If you don't get it, forget about it.
Today is a different terrain. If you want your project to stand the test of time, you have to fight harder for quality. Cut corners now, and your building might never live long enough to even be remembered. I've been Fola Jomi. See you on the next one.